Good day guys, Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love cars, DIYs and anything car related, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so just to give you an idea how silent my engine is, I'm currently inside the car with AC on, and the engine is actually idling. So check that out. I'm gonna switch off the AC and see if you can hear anything. See, no vibrations, no nothing. I'm gonna rev it up a bit. See, I'm gonna switch on the AC. Look how silent that is.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so I just finished decarbonizing the engine. Actually, this is similar to the video that I created a few months back, how to remove the intake manifold. So as you can see, I have like greasy hands, and I actually started this about 2 hours ago, so it took a lot of time. No DIY video since I already created a video for this one. I just like to share the engine idle of my 6 years old Eon, going 3 months, six years and 3 months old, with 78k odometer. I already replaced the belt, the timing belt, the tension air bearing. What else? I'm still using the tri-tip and the racing high tension wire. Um, so I'm planning to replace the thermostat housing and the thermostat valve. I was thinking of replacing it as well today, but I actually checked the bolts. I don't have the specific tool in order for me to access that bolt. I don't want to remove the alternator just to remove one bolt. So it's gonna take a lot of time, which I don't have. It's already like going 6 in the evening, so I might buy the tool. It's actually a 12 millimeter wrench that I need, but it should be a closed wrench because the curve of the thermostat housing is a bit tricky, so I need that size 12 wrench to access it. My ratchet is a bit too big for that, for the space in between the alternator and the bolt for the thermostat housing. So I might buy the tools for that, or I might just pay a mechanic to do it for me. Let's see. So now it's the first time that we'll be starting the engine since I decarbonized it. So 78k auto with a very cold engine. I'm actually watching out for the warning light once I start it up. So let's hope that I was able to put everything back where they are supposed to be. Uh, Perfect. All right. So you notice the the idle actually like played a bit. It's because I sprayed some chemical cleaner on the intake manifold, specifically on the port for the brake booster. I sprayed some as well on the cylinder head, directly to the intake valves. So that's normal. I'm actually expecting a few smoke coming out of the exhaust, but I don't think we'll be able to see it right now. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so there's no smoke, no check engine light. Let's go ahead and check the engine bay. Alright, so that's how my engine idles. That's the sound. So those are the tools that I use: the cleaner, WD, my greasy hands, and the tools as well, my tool bag. So you see, so these are the common tools that you usually use during your DIY. Size 12, the extensions, pliers, long nose. That's it. See, this is still using the racing HT wire. So let's rev it up a bit. Alright, so lastly, let's go back and let's switch on the AC. Perfect. Still no check engine light. Let's check the engine bay. So I won't edit the video. I'll just upload it directly to YouTube. So that's the engine idle with AC on. So as you can hear, let me try to show you guys. The fan is working. See? So that's how my engine idle with AC on. Perfect. So again, for the thermostat housing and thermostat valve, I'm still thinking about it. Let's see if I'll be able to get the tools to remove. I'm actually having a hard time removing the bolts on this side, on the thermostat valve side. So let's see. So compressor switched off, the fan as well. Let's wait for the compressor to kick in. So no weird noises, no squeaking noises, no nothing. Let's wait for the, so that's the compressor. As you can see, no drops on the, no significant drops rather. That's the fan. Okay, so that's it for me today, guys. I hope you liked the video. I would really appreciate it if you could share like a video of your the idle of your engine, your Hyundai Eon, and you know, you might get an idea on what needs to be done or fixed on your Hyundai Eon, and feel free to ask me questions.